Let me edit my screen, see if I can change my camera to, I want it. I don't know if you've seen me change this. What the fuck is that? This is a hit Markiplier uses. Pro 2. Vibrant. It's not very pro because it's on my phone. To be honest, the camera quality looks a lot better on my phone because I can see the camera on my phone than on the screen. Okay. Yo. I'm gonna leave this in. It's custom. How do I change that? And back to default. Hello everybody, it's Huge Wizard here, and today we're playing Sky Factory Part 2. So in the first part, we got up to the monster killing, I believe. Yeah, because we were getting bones, and we got bones, and we made the bone meal thing, so we're up to that part. I'm pretty sure we can see when we get onto the book where we're at and what we need to do. Do you believe we need water and we were waiting for rain? Yes. It's been 2 days since I've recorded this. So yeah, we're waiting for rain. Okay, we're still waiting for rain. But whilst doing so, I believe we should make some stone stuff. Petrified saplings. Yeah, this is just whilst we're waiting for rain. And we'll also sort this out. I don't know what the fuck. I'm still an edit. Still editing. Give me a minute. Just realised you haven't seen any of that gameplay. None of it. Not a single bit. So now it's time to show you what I was doing, because I'm an idiot. So basically, I did this. I've made a tiny tree farm. That's literally all I've done. Made a tiny tree farm, waiting for it to fucking rain. Because it hasn't rained yet. And I might leave the game running whilst I do everything else in life. In hope that it fucking rains. So all we can literally do right now is just gather resources like I said, but you didn't see. I'm going to change that block out for wood. I caught it. Caught a legend. Boop. And then it's literally just a case of that's me. Oh. There's one. gonna look through my old recording real quick. Count the days. Day 6. We're on day 6. So if it doesn't rain today or tomorrow, Google's lying to me. Okay. Back to collecting resources. I've only got 2. Oh no, I haven't. I've got loads. Oh my god. So So I've realised something that I can do that's alright. Oh, they've grown. Wasn't expecting that. Okay. Done. And what I've realised I can do whilst waiting is I need to obviously spawn animals for more food, and to do that, since I am in the plains, I'm going to get a large dirt patch over. Pretty sure you need grass. Obviously don't have grass just yet. So I'm going to just put a load of dirt down there and hope grass appears. So we're going to do this now for God knows how long. Everything, go to that, yeah, boom, that's that broke, it's okay. Let's make 2 for now. There we go, sticks and hook. We have a lot of hooks. Oh, don't worry, don't let anyway. It's okay. Not like I needed it. I've got 10 so far. Let's do that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to put it here. And I'm going to carry it on outwards. I'm going to put a wooden border around it, and then I'm going to put fences on it so they don't escape. It is night time. I have made myself a new thing, so tomorrow will now be daytime. So let's go see what's over here. Fuck is that? oh, okay. Did you drop anything? No. Oh, what's a creep around here a second ago? I'm actually very proud that this is actually working. I didn't think it would. I think most of them are just falling off, which is fine, because we don't need anything. More wood. The sun. Oh, okay. This is literally a fingers crossed moment and hope that it rains. If it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. Because I've been waiting for ages. Start making. It's raining. Oh my god, it's raining. Oh my god, finally. Oh yes, I've never been so happy for rain in my life. Blooming hate rain because mobs come out and shit. Oh, this is amazing. I've never been so happy. Okay, we can do this. This is it. Better last as long as I bloody need it to. Right, there we go. That's the mob spawning bit for now. And do I have torches? You're filling. You better be filling. Be having issues if you're not. What did I come in here for? Torches. There we go. Just a place around here, mainly because it's very dark and mobs can spawn on all of this. Even if it is just little one block, they can spawn on that. Over there later on, I had a look at a YouTuber the other day, watching one of his videos. I put his description in the I can't remember his name for the life. I'll find him. And he made a mob spawner that wouldn't kill them, because obviously you can get iron from zombies if you kill them. And I'm pretty sure it's like 750 zombies that you have to kill. 750. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, I've never been happier to have rain in my life. Whoa, hello. That's a big tree. Last one. Probably still in the way of it again. Yeah, okay. The issue with this bit is the fact that mobs can spawn in between, so we've got to be careful and do this as quickly as possible. Do that. I know it doesn't give me as much as I need, but it still gives me something. My hook's about to die anyway, so yeah. Okay. We got that. It's filling. Oh my god, it's filling. That's amazing. Oh my god, that's amazing. So we need a clay in a 1 bottle of malt. So we need to put dirt in there, which I have. I have dirt. Okay. Right click. Now that's malt. And then we need clay. Clay sapling. Oh my god, we did it. Right, okay, I'm gonna just remove you and put that there. I just need one more. Filling up the water, please. Whoa. It lied. I don't need any more. It just didn't tell me. Right, now I've got to try. I was going to say I'll try and reach that, but I don't need to because it is over the platform. Okay. What I'm going to do now then. Cotton. What do I need? Cotton, acorn, or bone meal and vines. How do I get that? How am I going to get nature essence? Jesus Christ. Phone's on a Madden. Oh, it's just eat does that. I'm just going to let them fill now because we're going to need water later and I want to be able to make like an unlimited water source at some point. Somewhere. Don't know where. So, right, let's look at the book. The book's going to help us more than anything else. We need to work properly. My brain isn't working. There we go. Because obviously that's what we need. And we've got all the stuff that leads to it. And it's saying we need is there any more? Okay, we figured it out. Can get it by drying. Hey, that's why I need eyes. This is where it doesn't work when it's like raining. No, it's this progression at the top there. Didn't even realise it had that. That's pretty cool. It's so far away from my face. You probably can't hear me. Okay. Cool. Okay. We can do it now. Right. So this middle. I can't remember how to do it. That in the middle. I don't have my bone meal. Give me a minute. Okay, so this in the middle, bone meal, all the way around, and then can I just break you? I just used the bone meal on you. What a waste. What a waste. That's fun. Oh yeah, and then you, and then we did it. Okay, I'm gonna put it there. Book. Let's go back into the book. So we did that now. So now okay. So I need to get a string to make it into a bed, which is going to be so good. I've progressed. I've not gotten further than the bone sapling. So this is the furthest I have gotten. It's officially night time now. Who are you? Who are you? Oh, he's coming at me, he's coming at me, he's coming at me. Oh, it's Bender. Look at that. Come on. Don't want you, I want Bender. Can I actually wear it? I can't. What does it do? I can't wear it. That's cool. I'll put it in my chest for later. See if we can do anything with it later. I'm gonna take everything out. Inventory that I can. Oh my god. Okay. Making more chests, don't know why I just didn't do it normally. Okay, right. Okay, so now we got that one, and we got that one. Helpful. Just did it. No. Need to eat. There we go. Right, now we just need to I think this is the first time we've been on full health for a while. It drops string. Oh my god, yes. Okay, let me get the wood. I want to see. We don't have enough. Okay, give me a minute. Just doing this one more time. There we go, we have enough of that now. Let me just grab a few more of these. So we get 5, which is fine. Right. You can make 2 of these, but I don't know what it makes, so we're just going to find out. please. And then we're gonna put both of them down. And then we're just gonna dance on top of them. It's now stopped raining. We've now got to wait another 7 days. So this is day 1. When it becomes day again in a minute. How much water did we get? Oh, we got a full cauldron and we got half a cauldron. That is good, that is good, that is good. There we go. I got the one I needed. Hopefully this pop. Get more. Just in case. You never know. Right. Oh my god, yes, okay. Grab one more. No, I need one more. Oh my god, I live. Ugh. My brain didn't work. Yes, finally. Back up slowly. Okay, I need to finish that off then before I die. Oh, yes, okay. So we've done that now. So what's next? This Tin Man. Tin Amber. Use Tinker's Complement, Melter and Smeltery to melt into molten tin and pour it into a casting basin or cast. This is more of Adam style. This is why I wanted Adam to be in here. Baba! No, as in like the big ones.
Black ones.
You know.
It's like bricks.
Okay.
So just click that.
Okay, I've got it.
Oh, grout is easy to make.
Yeah. Not in this game, but yeah. done that much yet. That actually scared me. Yay. He looks like he's got a pew-pew. Not like I need the resin, but I need the space. Let's do that. I'm gonna see if we remember how to make the thing that we needed for 21. Just give me the box. Because obviously we make gravel there. So let's see. Gravel. I've made it before. Very. Yeah, that's what I did. But I didn't make gravel. I made gravel with amber. All that time. I did it the wrong way. That's okay. We'll do with the 4 we've got so far. Where's my clay gone? Oh my god. Clay. Okay. Not in the smelter. Oh my god. I believe it is there. Grout, yes. Pressed the wrong buttons today. No, we got 16 out of all that, that's fine. And it's this one. Smell. No grout. How many do you need? 4 to make 1. 4 to make 1. And we need a lot. So this is good. I think I'm going to leave this episode here. Hopefully tomorrow. If not tomorrow, day after. It will be us was making, or if I have time later on, I'll make the smelter off camera and we'll go from there. I will also sort out the the farm, the spawner for animals there as well at some point. Yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like it, leave a like, and if you're gonna come back for more, subscribe as well. Thank you. Bye.